In today's video, I'm going to teach you essential Microsoft Word productivity tips for students. Whether you're starting research or polishing a final draft, these tips will help you work faster and submit with confidence. Begin by mastering a few keyboard shortcuts. The most important one is Ctrl+S to save. Tap it often so your work is always protected. When you make a mistake, use Ctrl+C to undo and Ctrl+Y to redo. For moving text around, rely on Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+X to cut, and Ctrl+V to paste. Need to select everything at once? Ctrl+A does it instantly. For quick formatting, toggle bold with Ctrl+B, italics with Ctrl+I, and underline with Ctrl+U. When you need a clean new page, like starting a bibliography, use Ctrl+Enter to insert a page break without hitting Enter repeatedly. And if you paste text from the web that looks messy, highlight it and press Ctrl+Spacebar to clear formatting and match your document's default style. Next, organize your document with styles on the Navigation pane. On the Home tab, apply Heading 1 to major sections and Heading 2 to subsections. This not only keeps your formatting consistent, it also powers the Navigation pane. Open it from the View tab, and you'll see a clickable outline of your paper. You can jump to any section instantly, and even drag headings to reorganize entire parts of your document without hunting through pages. For citations and bibliographies, let Word do the heavy lifting. Go to the References tab and choose the required style, such as APA, MLA, or Chicago. As you write, click Insert Citation to add sources. When you're finished, place your cursor at the end and click Bibliography to generate a correctly formatted Works Cited or References page in one step. If you think faster than you type, try Dictate on the Home tab. Speak clearly, add punctuation by saying words like comma or period, and then edit for clarity. It's great for drafting ideas or giving your hands a break. When it's time to proofread, use Immersive Reader under the View tab and select Read Aloud. Hearing your work read back helps you catch awkward phrasing, run-ons, or missing words. Adjust the speed and voice, and pause to make corrections as you listen. Finally, protect your progress with auto-recover and cloud storage. Go to File, Options, Save, and set auto-recover to every 3 to 5 minutes. Then save your documents to OneDrive for automatic backups, version history, and access from any device. With these tools, you'll write smarter, organize better, and submit with confidence.